Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a child support debt forgiveness letter. What is a child support debt forgiveness letter? A child support debt forgiveness letter is a written statement prepared by one parent to inform the other parent they are no longer obliged to pay child support they owe. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a child support debt forgiveness letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can start with writing your personal information as a writer of this letter. You must write your full name. Under it, write your home address. When you write the address, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also add your contact information, like phone number and email address. Once you're done, you can start writing the date of the letter. Here, the format should be month, date, and year. In this example is December 20th, 2023. And for the next, you need to write the information about the recipient. Write the full name of the recipient. And then, write the occupation in an organization. In this example, the letter is addressed to Anthony Longdon, who is a family courts judge. Under it, write also the address of the recipient. It can be the address where the person works, or home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street address, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. And now, open the letter with salutation. You can simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, tell the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you can write that this is with reference to my case. And then, mention the number of the case you mean. After that, start talking about the child support payment. Here, the payments may have not been received. So, you can just write it here. In this example, the writer tells the recipient that the child support payments for the case have not been received for 5 months. And then, since you write a child debt forgiveness letter, it means you want to forgive the person in charge. There must be a reason why your ex-partner didn't give support payments. And write it here. For example, the writer explains how she has been talking to the person in charge, or ex-husband. And the writer then realized that he was going through a financial crunch. And that what made him has not been able to make the payments on time. In short, make the first paragraph about your understanding of the other part financial condition. In the second paragraph, tell the recipient why you forgive the child's father. In this case, you may be financially stable or something. And therefore, the delayed child support payments didn't disturb you a lot. So, you can write it here. In this example, the writer recently got an insurance payout upon maturation of a policy. And tell how the amount is sufficient for you to handle your child's expenses. Of course, you must mention that you are talking about the expenses that you owe to certain facilities because there was a lapse in child support from her father. And state it very clearly that you are writing this letter to officially forgive the child support arrears that the father owes you. It is about forgiving, and you might have don't verbally, but still you must write it here for the sake of law. Convinced that you are not under pressure. You can write, I am sure that once his circumstances look up, he will able to make payments on time. And any arrears will just make things slower. In the last paragraph, write the conclusion of this letter. Write what you expect from the recipient after reading this letter. Here, your goal is to let the recipient know that you have forgiven the person. Simply, you can write, in view of all this, I request that you let the person know about the charge in our agreement. But still, you need to remind the person that you expect all future payments to be made on time. Write it here so your family court judge will deliver it to the child's father. And don't forget to thank the recipient by saying, I appreciate your assistance in this matter. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a child support debt forgiveness letter. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.